Let's talk about for and since. These two expressions are used to talk about time. We use for to talk about a period of time from beginning to end. She has lived in Chicago for 5 years, period of time. They have been in the meeting for 30 minutes, period of time. We are going on vacation for 10 days, period of time. And we use since to talk about a point in time. I've worked here since May. May is a point in time. I've known him since 2005. Point in time. I've been working on this project since yesterday morning. Point in time. And I also remembered that we can use the word for with all of the tenses, but we usually just use since with perfect tenses. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.